Hello friends, welcome back to Study Seekers. Question number 41 is bacterium which causes lung tuberculosis? Salmonella, Mycobacterium, Diplococcus, Streptomyces. So the correct option is option B, Mycobacterium. Friends, Mycobacterium tuberculosis causes the tuberculosis disease. Question number 42 is nitrogen fixation of soil is assisted by Theobacillus, Nitrosomonas, Nitrobacter, या Azotobacter. So the correct option is option D, Azotobacter. Question number 43 microbe which is harmful and enters the human body to cause disease is called saprophyte, symbiont, pathogen, commensal. So the correct option is option C, pathogen. Question number 44 is folds of plasma membrane in bacterial cell are known as episome, mesosome, spherosomes या acrosomes. So the correct option is option B, mesosomes. The folding of plasma membrane is known as mesosomes. Question number 45 is little leaf of brinjal is caused by virus, fungus, mycoplasma or algae. The correct option is option C, mycoplasma. Mycoplasma causes the little leaf of brinjal. Question number 46 प्लाज्मिड्स आर प्लाज्मिड क्या होते हैं? स्मॉल कॉइल्स ऑफ डीएनए, स्मॉल कॉइल्स ऑफ आरएनए, स्मॉल पार्टिकल ऑफ आरएनए प्लस प्रोटीन, small photosynthetic particles of bacteria. So the correct option is option A, small coils of DNA. Question number 47 nitrifying bacteria converts nitrogen into nitrates, ammonia or ammonium compound into nitrates, nitrate in nitrogen, a carbon dioxide into carbohydrates. So the correct option is option B, ammonia or ammonium compounds into nitrates. Question number 48. The process of transfer of genetic material of one bacterium to other bacterium with the help of bacteriophage is known as translocation, transduction, transcription, or transformation. So the correct option is option B, transduction. Question number 49. Plasmids are viruses, new type of microorganisms, structochromosomal genetic material of bacteria, the genetic elements of bacteria. Option C is correct. Plasmids are structochromosomal genetic material of bacteria. Question number 50. The main difference between gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria is of cell wall, composition of protoplasm, occurrence of free cation and anions, genophore and physiology. Here the correct option is option A, cell wall. The main difference of gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria is of cell wall. Question number 51. The nitrifying bacteria that converts ammonia to nitrates are Azotobacter, Rhizobium leguminosarum, Theobacillus denitrificans, Nitrosomonas and Nitrobacter. Here the correct option is option D, Nitrosomonas and Nitrobacter. Question number 52. A free living bacterium capable of fixing atmospheric nitrogen is Azotobacter, Streptococcus, Staphylococcus, none of these. Here the correct option is option A. Azotobacter is capable of fixing atmospheric nitrogen and it is a free living bacterium. Question number 53 is bacteria without flagella are known as monotrichous, peritrichous, lophotrichous or atrichous. Here the correct option is option D. Atrichous bacteria has no flagella. Question number 54. Bacteria bearing the flagella all over the body are called monotrichous, peritrichous, lophotrichous, or atrichous. Here the option B is correct, peritrichous. Peritrichous bacteria contains the flagella all over the body surface. Question number 55. Streptomycin is produced by Streptomyces venezuelae, Streptomyces gracius, Streptomyces scoleus या Streptomyces fredei. Here the correct option is option B. Streptomycin is produced by Streptomyces gracius. Question number 56. Streptomycin usually is used to obtain क्लोरोमाइसिटिन, स्ट्रेप्टोमाइसिन, टेरासाइक्लिन या एरोमाइसिन. Here the correct option is option A, chloromycetin. Question number 57 is bacteria commonly reproduce vegetatively by binary fission, conjugation, oidia या budding. Here the option A is correct, binary fission. Bacteria reproduce vegetatively by binary fission. Question number 58 is which of the following antibiotic inhibits the cell wall synthesis in bacteria? Penicillin, streptomycin, both A and B, none of these. Here the correct answer is option A, penicillin. Question number 59. Organism without any specific shape are mycoplasma, bacteria, viruses, or cyanobacteria. Here the correct option is option A, mycoplasma are without any specific shape. Question number 60 is one of the major component of bacterial cell wall is a polymer called peptidoglycan, cellulose, chitin, or xylene. Here the option A is correct, peptidoglycan. Question number 61. A cell wall material present only in bacteria and blue-green algae is pectin, cellulose, muramic acid, or chitin. Here the option C is correct, muramic acid. Question number 62 is which of the following is a bacterial plant disease? Ticca disease of groundnut, downy mildew of grapes, ring rot of potato, या red rot of sugarcane. Here the option C is correct, ring rot of potato. Question number 63. Respiratory enzyme in bacteria are present in mitochondria, Golgi complex, plasma membrane, या endoplasmic reticulum. Here the option C is correct, plasma membrane. The respiratory enzymes are present in bacteria inside the plasma membrane, inside the special structures called mesosomes. Question number 64 is plasmids found in the cell of bacteria are molecules of DNA, RNA, protein, DNA bound by histones. Here the option A is correct, DNA. Question number 65. The gram stain used for differentiating the gram positive and gram negative bacteria is crystal violet and iodine, safranin and iodine, acetocaramine and iodine, या safranin and genetian violet. Here the option A is correct, crystal violet and iodine. Question number 66 is the site of respiration in bacteria is episome, ribosome, or mesosome or microsome. The correct option is option C, mesosomes. The respiratory site in bacteria are mesosome. Question number 67 is penicillin checks the bacterial growth by inhibiting cell wall growth, inhibiting protein synthesis, inhibiting RNA synthesis, or destroying cell membrane. Here the option A is correct, inhibiting cell wall growth. Penicillin inhibits the cell wall growth. Question number 68. Typhoid fever is caused by Escherichia, Salmonella, Shigella, Giardia. Here the correct option is option B, Salmonella. And Salmonella typhi is the causing agent of typhoid. Question number 69 is which is not found in bacteria? Mesosome, capsule, nucleus, or flagella. Here the option C is correct. Nucleus is not found in bacteria. Question number 70. Bacteria reproduce sexually by endospore, transformation, conidia, or exospore. Here the option B is correct. Transformation. The bacteria reproduce sexually by transformation. Question number 71. What is true for archibacteria? All halophils, all photosynthetic, all fossils, oldest living being. Here the option D is correct. The archibacteria are oldest living beings. Question number 72. When in a bacterial cell, flagella are present singly at both the ends, then it is called Lophotrichus, Amphitrichus, Monotrichus, or Peritrichus. Here the option B is correct, Amphitrichus. Question number 73. Which of the following is a bacterial disease? AIDS, leprosy, scariasis, or polio? Here the option B is correct, leprosy. And Mycobacterium leprae is the causing agent of leprosy. Question number 74 is extrachromosomal genetic material found in bacterium is plasmids, microsomes, ribosomes, none of these. Here the correct option is option A. Plasmids are the extrachromosomal genetic material found in bacteria. Question number 75 is Streptomyces fridei produces erythromycin, neomycin, terramycin, या ariomycin. Here the option B is correct, neomycin. Question number 76 is Mycoplasma is eukaryotic and unicellular, eukaryotic and multicellular, prokaryotic and unicellular, or prokaryotic and multicellular. Here the option C is correct. Prokaryotic and unicellular. Mycoplasma is prokaryotic and unicellular organism. Question number 77. Organisms found in extreme temperatures are cyanobacteria, archibacteria, fungi, or eubacteria. Here the correct option is option B, archibacteria. Question number 78. Which one of the following organisms may respire in the absence of oxygen? Azotobacter, Clostridium, Rhizobium, या Lactobacillus. Here the option B is correct, Clostridium. Question number 79. Which of the following is a disease causing bacterium in human being? Marmar virgatum, Xanthomonas citri, TMV, or Vibrio cholerae? Here the option D is correct, Vibrio cholerae. Question number 80 is which is the cause of anthrax disease? Virus, bacteria, mycoplasma, or algae? Here the correct option is option B. Bacteria causes the anthrax disease.